Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we will keep on studying the nasal final. On, on. It can form character hong. Hong means red. On, on. When we pronouncing on, pronounce or firstly. Raise the back of your tongue and move to the nasal sound on, on. Let's learn the four tones of on, 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 on. Homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. So we have completed the study of all initials and finals. I hope you can review what we've already learned. Please leave a message on our homepage if you have any questions. Okay, so much for today. See you. 再见。